Good morning, Greenwood, Indiana. It's Duncan Home Services here with another tip from the technicians, and they all say don't ignore the strange noises. If your appliance starts making an unusual sounds, thumping, grinding, buzzing, clicking, it's often a sign that there's something wearing out or about to fail. Here's what to do. Unplug it if the sound is loud or sharp. Check for loose items like coins in a washer or utensils that's stuck down in a dishwasher. Don't wait too long to give us a call. Early repairs are usually cheaper and prevent bigger problems. If it doesn't sound right, it's time to get it checked out, and you can do that by just calling Duncan to get fast, reliable appliance repair. Anyways, I hope you guys have a blessed day.